This is a test to test the so-called Bugle skills: basic arithmetic, geometric, algebraic, and language skills. This test is typically for a 10-11-year-old kid. Of course, interested senior citizens can also know their skills. Basic arithmetic skills. 1. A number is given in symbols, write it in words. 2. A number is said in words, write it in symbols. 3. Write k-digit number with given conditions. 4. Write the successor and predecessor of a given number. 5. Compare the two given natural numbers. 6. Rapid sum, difference and product of single digit natural numbers. 7. Multiply k-digit number with l-digit number. 8. Divide k-digit number with l-digit number and show the remainder and quotient. 9. Single digit sum and difference of integers. 10. Compare two positive fractions. 11. Find the sum of positive fractions. 12. Find the sum and difference of single digit integers. 13. Compare two integers. 14. Find difference of fractions. 15. Find product of all integers and fractions. 16. Convert positive fraction into decimal. 17. Convert decimal into fraction. 18. Perform all four arithmetic operations on decimals. 19. Find all factors of a given natural number. 20. Find all multiples of a given natural number. Basic geometrical skills. 1. Draw a point. 2. Draw an open non-intersecting curve, irregular curve. 3. Draw the three kinds of lines: line segment, straight line, ray. 4. Draw intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines. 5. Draw angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. 6. Draw regular triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle. 7. Draw regular quadrilateral, parallelogram, trapezium, square, rectangle, non-convex quadrilateral. 8. Draw circle, arc, segment, semicircle. 9. Find the perimeter and area of simple figures given. 10. Give examples of point objects, linear objects, planar objects, and spatial objects. Basic algebraic skills. 1. Find the sum of 3x and 10x. 2. Find the product of x and y. 3. Find the product of x power 4 and x power 7. 4. Pull the common thing from a given sum. 5. Solve the two basic linear equations without symbols. 6. Solve the two basic linear equations with the symbols. 7. State true or false about generalized arithmetic statements. 8. Form any generalized arithmetic statement. 9. Put the brackets correctly, appropriately. Now, basic language skills. 1. Write 3 simple sentences in mother tongue. 2. Say these 3 sentences in English. 3. Form a conditional sentence. 1 conditional sentence. That's all. If anybody wants to have these Bugle skills tested, they can approach the Elefnot Society. All these skills will be tested and a detailed report presented. Thank you.